Imagine having a 65-inch outdoor QLED TV that's bright enough to see in full sunlight, built tough for unpredictable weather, and portable enough to roll wherever it's needed. This TV combines 2000 nit peak brightness, 4K UHD clarity, and IP55 weatherproofing, creating an experience most indoor TVs simply can't match. Whether it's a backyard movie night, a poolside binge, or a commercial outdoor setup, this TV is engineered for performance and flexibility. Starting with design, the rolling stand is a standout feature. It's heavy-duty and stable, with smooth casters that allow safe mobility on patios, decks, or even concrete surfaces. The TV itself is sleek, with minimal bezels and a premium finish, making it look at home in any outdoor environment. Display performance is exceptional. The QLED panel delivers vibrant, accurate colors, deep blacks, and sharp detail. HDR content really pops, and 4K resolution ensures every scene is crisp and clear. The 2000 nit brightness means the screen remains fully viewable in direct sunlight, a rare feat for large-format outdoor displays. Smart functionality is fully integrated. Streaming apps, media playback, and connectivity options are intuitive and responsive. All ports are protected against moisture and dust, giving confidence that this setup can handle outdoor conditions without constant worry. Weatherproofing is key. With an IP55 rating, this TV is resistant to water splashes, dust, and debris. While it's not submersible, it's ideal for patios, decks, and outdoor venues. The rolling stand also makes it easy to move the TV out of harm's way when storms approach, adding another layer of protection. Audio performance is impressive for an integrated system. The built-in speakers provide clear, loud sound capable of cutting through typical outdoor ambient noise. While pairing with external outdoor speakers can enhance the experience, casual backyard viewing works well without extra equipment. Power considerations are worth noting. High-brightness panels consume more energy than typical indoor TVs, but for occasional outdoor use, weekend movie nights, sporting events, or casual gatherings, power consumption is manageable. For commercial applications, this TV offers versatility for hospitality, retail, or event spaces. Minor trade-offs include the effort required to roll it on uneven surfaces and the importance of covering it if left outside for extended periods. These are small issues considering the level of performance delivered. Overall, this 65-inch outdoor QLED TV with rolling stand offers a unique combination of brightness, durability, smart functionality, and mobility. It's an excellent solution for anyone looking to elevate their outdoor entertainment setup, whether for personal enjoyment or commercial use. If interested, check the link in the description to get one for your backyard, patio, or business space. This TV delivers unmatched visibility, durability, and convenience in a single package. Drop a comment to share how you'd use an outdoor TV like this: backyard cinema, poolside parties, or something else entirely.